Welcome to Data Analytics Professionals. This lecture series is about AWS and machine learning, and in this video our task is going to use AWS command line interface to connect with the AWS. To accomplish the task, you need to follow a few lectures before this lecture, especially the lecture whereby you have created an account with AWS. And once you have created account and you have created the users, especially the user ML underscore user underscore predict as per my guidelines. Please check the lecture number. Let me check which lecture number should it be. Lecture number 9. And then you need to you must have also performed all tasks that were given in and shown in lecture number 10. And here is lecture number 11, given by myself. My name is Shanaz Malk. I'm a data scientist, and if you have any questions, please email me at dataanalytics.professionals@gmail.com. I will do my best to reply as much as I could. I thank you. So, before we proceed, as I humbly request, if you find this lecture useful, please subscribe to my course channel. Please like and share this video with friends and colleagues, and please leave your feedback in the comments section. To accomplish these tasks, what we need to do is I give you a roadmap in steps. So first step is we will open the command prompt, and then on that we'll type AWS, and then we will type AWS config. For the profile, you will be using ML underscore user underscore predict. I will be using a little bit different because I'm going to show you my when I have to do this task, I have to show access key ID and a secret access key ID. So I have made one more user like this, but I have added underscore predict underscore temp. It will be my user will be ml underscore user underscore predict underscore temp, while as you can use this user. I'm just doing it just to keep access key ID and secret access key hidden from the YouTube and the world. So once we do that, we hit enter, and then we give AWS, as it will ask you access key ID when it prompts. We give it, and we hit enter, and then it will ask us AWS secret access key, and then we'll give it and hit enter. And we will not do much on region name and the output format. We'll just hit enter, and so we will understand, we'll come to know that ML user underscore predict has access to the prediction services only. We know that we have given only to this user we have only given access to prediction service only. So let's try to access, for example, S3 bucket by giving this command, and we should get the following error. Okay, once we do it, we should get the following error, and that should tell us that we are connected to AWS, but the access is denied. Okay, and let's start command prompt and execute the task in our hand. So So here I am in my AWS account. As you could see that I'm already in identity and access management. If you don't know how to go there, I'm going to quickly show you. Click services, and if you write IAM, you should get quickly into it, and once you get into it, you'll land on this page. I'm showing it in case somebody is on the different page. So just checking, you just showing you what we are going to do. So if you see, I have one more user. We have done with yourself. I have shown you how to create all these users. So you are going to access this, and then through this user profile you are going to access S3 bucket and see that because we know that we haven't provided access to S3 buckets, so it's going to deny. But I'm going to use this one, okay, because later on, once I finish this video lecture, I'm going to delete this user. Okay, so first thing first is let's open command prompt. Okay, here is the command prompt now. So I think I had already opened it. Is it 2? Okay. So first thing first is here is the command prompt. Okay, and then I'm going to write AWS on it. So once I get this thing, then I write AWS. Let's configure. Okay, space hyphen profile. This is the command you need to give exactly as I write, okay, but only change the username. Predict, and I have, I think, temp as I say. So here, if you see, let me increase the size. I think this should be now okay to see if you are even on your mobile. So here is AWS access key ID is demanding from us, so I can show you that here is my credentials, okay, that CSV file we downloaded. So here is this key we need to give. So if you see access key ID, so I'm going to copy all this, okay, and once I'm copying, I'm hitting enter. So if you see, it's now asking secret access key, so I'm going to again so if you see, here it is, secret access key, and all I need to give this one to here, and then it's showing me default region. I'm going to just hit enter. If you like, you can specify the specific region if you want to get connected to specific region, and default output format. I'm again going to hit enter. So basically what I have done until now is I've connected to AWS. Now what we need to do further from here, we know what kind of access this user has. So let's try to access S3 bucket, okay, in AWS. So for that we need to give command AWS S3 and AWS S3. Then I'm going to say show me all, list all, okay, and So AML underscore user underscore predict, so you're using this user, but I'm going to use this user, okay? Because this user I'm going to delete afterwards, as I have shown my secret keys. So this is, I think, good to go. I'm just hitting enter. So here is the error. So an error occurred, access denied when calling list buckets operation. So it's showing that this is coming back from AWS. It's showing us that our AWS CLI is working, and this is the way we connected to AWS using AWS command line interface. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this, if it's not working for you, just send me feedback. You can just give me questions in the email, or better to write it in the comment section, and I will do my best to reply and to provide my help as much as possible from my end. So once we have done this task, so the next thing is what I could request you guys is, as usual, so it's my humble request, if you have found this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. It is to be reminded that your feedback is extremely important to improve the contents of all my future videos. And last but not least, to mention that growing audience, a wonderful audience like you, gives me more and more motivation to keep on making all these videos for all of you guys. Your support is very much appreciated. The more you share my video, the more you subscribe to my channel, the more you interact with me, the more I'm going to provide you video guidance and all that what I could do. With this, I could say thank you all, and I hope to see you in next video. And please do remember, sharing is caring. Bye bye.